If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the state of your closet and underwhelmed by the state of your systems, join me here as we work through it. This small 2x3 closet was adequate enough space, but I couldn't actually use it for what I needed. Nothing in here was wrong, but it wasn't easy to use. I had things in here that didn't belong here, and anything I actually needed was hard to get to. There wasn't really any structure to it, and the systems that I had put in place here just weren't working. I couldn't access anything. I didn't let the overwhelm stop me. So what did I do? I emptied it out and started all over. If you've dealt with a similar situation recently, let me know in the comments below. Let's chat about it. There's that bag. So clearly I need to have a discussion with myself about the bags. These are the bags I use to travel. My personal item bag, my go-to bag when I'm heading over to my parents', just a tote for carrying around laptop around town, that sort of thing, and I need access to them. The problem isn't the closet. I'm not trying to solve the closet problem. I'm trying to solve a problem with this system and the access to the items that I have in the closet. Because as you can see, it's a hodgepodge of things. There's sheets stored up top. I have my bags stored there. I have a vacuum cleaner stored there. And there's room. It's just a total mess. It just gets disorganized, and I have the bags hanging on a hanger, and I have to pull that heavy hanger off every time and pull all the bags off and try to access the one I want. And inside those bags are small bags, and that's just not working. I've got to put together a better system for accessing what I need when I need it. Additionally, I have other small bags that I'm storing in other locations that really belong with the rest of this. So it's a problem. I need a system that's going to work across the board for all of this type of thing. Of course, it needed a good scrubbing once it was all emptied out. If you're liking this video so far, won't you like, comment, and subscribe? It really helps my channel. And once that was done, I had a clean slate to start over. Just 2 additional shelves made a big difference. I began filling the closet with all of the bags. I added baskets to one shelf for the smaller bags. I added a hook assembly on the door to hang more items. Remember when I said this? So clearly I need to have a discussion with myself about the bags. Got rid of a large duffel bag I've never really used, a large toiletry bag that is just not practical for packing. I tend to pack my toiletries in a smaller bag, several smaller bags to get them in the suitcase better. So having had that conversation with myself, I did get rid of quite a few bags and ended up with a much better system. I think that's much better. I think that's more realistic too, about what I actually use and what I don't use. And of course, the vacuum has to go back in because there's no other place in the house for it. Let's be realistic. But now it fits. And with just a few more tweaks, I got it just the way I needed it. I can now reach everything that I need without having to shuffle through every single bag to get the one that I need. I can reach everything. The vacuum is there, stored and tucked away for when I need to reach it. Now I can actually use the space the way I intended it. Accessing the large bags is easy. And accessing the smaller bags that I placed in the baskets is easy as well. And they go right back where they belong just as easily. It's not a perfect closet. It's not a beautiful closet, but it is a great system because I can actually get to what I need and it's easy to maintain. If you found a better way to use a small space like this, let me know in the comments and subscribe if you want to see more real-life systems like this. It's the art of living solo, making everyday life manageable, one small system at a time. Thanks for joining me. I'm glad you're here.